2, 3.
Please don't litter, please don't litter, pleasantly and renew.
Your classroom. Hi, my name is Brian Holzer. I'm an English language fellow at the Surrey College of Education in Tangrang. As educators, we are in a position to raise awareness and concern for the environment. Hopefully, these materials will be useful for you in your classroom. Enjoy. Hello, welcome everyone to environmental themes for the classroom. Okay, the reason we are presenting today is that raising awareness, raising concern is one of the components of the Access class. Okay, so hopefully after today you can get some ideas on how to teach about the environment so that your students are aware and they are concerned about our future environment. The overview today, we will cover environmental themes, global objectives, sample activities, why recycle, environmental songs, global holidays, the art of persuasion, additional classroom activities, and the environmental handbook that all of you will be receiving. Okay. So what are some environmental themes? Okay. Many people know the slogans or phrases, go green, save the earth, but many times teachers are not sure what to teach in the classroom. Okay, what are the environmental themes? Okay, so here are 10 ideas, 10 themes that you can talk about in your classroom. Endangered species, human population, oceans and coasts, energy conservation, recycling and reusing, air pollution, rainforests, climate change, the ozone layer, and waste management. These are all the topics that you can use when talking about environmental awareness. Why do we teach environmental education? Without looking, I want to hear from you. Why do we teach environmental education?
Because we don't have a new earth, so we have to keep.
Yeah, we don't have a new earth. We have to take care of the one we have. Right?
And other things I always say that Indonesia is a very big country. If you don't teach this, it will be a very big dustbin.
Ah, yes. Okay. So we can create change by teaching this. Okay. Anyone else?
Students' awareness about the environment.
But why do we want to make students aware?
Because we just want to show the fact that, look, our land is become dirty, so
Yeah.
we just want the student to realize that you have to start from now.
And to make a change.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are facing a big problem.
Yeah. Everyone, not only everyone is facing a big problem when it comes to the environment. Okay. So there are 4 main words we think about: awareness, concern, skills, and action. It all ends in action. Okay. So awareness, promoting awareness of a particular environmental problem and what individuals can do to help solve the problem. Concern, encourage students to explore their own values and feelings of concern about the environment. Skills, helping students to acquire and develop the necessary skills to solve environmental problems. And the last one, action. Providing opportunities for students to get actively involved in doing something to remedy environmental problems. Okay. There is no use talking about it if there is no action. Okay. So we always want to lead our students into action. How to introduce topics in the classroom? Okay. One idea is just using single words, pictures, or realia to get the class starting to discuss. Okay. To bring up the subject. Okay. So we have one word here, waste. What is waste?
Something.
Sampah. Sampah.
Something that you don't use.
Okay, something you do not use. Okay, the same answer as the last class. Okay, but we want to think something you do not use
It's not a
for now.
for now.
Okay, because then it's always in the back of your head, like, I don't need it, I throw it. Okay, but if it's something I don't need or don't use for now, you start to think about it. Okay, so here are a few questions. What is waste? What are some synonyms for waste? What are some examples of waste? What happens when this waste leaves your home? Where does it go? And what can we do to reduce our waste? Okay? With the person sitting next to you, just discuss a few of these questions and then we will hear from you.
People are getting aware.
We'll stop there. Due to time, we cannot extend our conversations. But I want to hear from you. We already know what is waste. Sampah. Okay, something you do not use for now. Okay? What are some synonyms?
Trash.
Garbage, rubbish, trash, litter, yeah? Dirt, okay, junk. Many words, okay? Next question. What are some examples?
Plastic bottles.
Plastic
bags.
Scrap paper, plastic bags.
Plastic bags.
Plastic bags.
Dry leaves.
Basically, everything is an example because it's something we do not use or we do not want for now. When this leaves our home, where does it go?
To the river.
To the river,
The ocean.
to the ocean, to the garbage collector.
Yeah.
No, when I first arrived in Indonesia, I was very shocked. I was in Sumatra, South Sumatra, and I would spend all this time organizing my trash, my garbage. Paper, plastic, aluminum. And what I found out is the maid, the cleaner would come, take all of them
And
put them together, throw them in the backyard outside and light it on fire, burn it. But I thought, why am I organizing it if that's what she's going to do? Okay. So it's very important to know what happens to our trash when it leaves our site. Okay. Many people, they just throw it out of sight, out of mind, but it's still there and it will always be there. Okay. What can we do to reduce our trash?
recycle, reuse.
Recycle, reuse,
Use less.
give to others, sell. Okay, yeah, sell. Sell, okay. It depends, plastic bottle. Okay, sell. All right, now. What is in the picture? Beautiful? No?
The picture is beautiful.
This picture is
It's not the message that it sends.
Okay, first, before the message, tell me, what do you see?
A boy.
A boy picking up bottles. What is the boy in? Okay, a boat. Why is the boy picking up bottles?
Look for useful things.
Okay, to sell. How did this happen?
People just throw.
People just throw in the river?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
Is this a nice